How to fix slow Ethernet speed on Windows. To fix slow Ethernet speed on Windows, try 1. Run Windows Network Troubleshooter. 2. Refresh or reset network. Run these commands as admin: IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / renew IP protocol configuration / flushins IP protocol configuration / registered and stat rr netshare and IP reset all netshare winsock reset 3. Disable large send. Offload, LSO, in Device Manager. 4. Change Windows DNS server. 5. Disable Windows auto-tuning. Run netshare in TCP set global auto-tuning level equals disabled command as admin.